This machine is intended for the vacuuming of dry dust and/or small debris of carpeted or hard floor surfaces. However, it is also engineered with a bypass motor, which delivers added motor protection for areas where accidental suction of liquid may occur. For indoor use only, and should always be used with a dust bag and filters in place. To ensure your safety and optimize the output of your machine, we recommend the following safety and maintenance tasks before every use. Remove, empty and clean the reusable dust bag. Clean the filter by turning it anti-clockwise to unlock and remove, then tap gently to release fine dust. Always fully extend the power cord before connecting it to the power source. Inspect behind the anchor point on the cord restraint and loosen daily. Check the power cord for cuts, abrasions and exposed wiring to ensure it is safe to use. Always wind up the power cord from the machine end to ensure the twists and kinks are removed. A good way of doing this is to untwist the cord with your fingers to straighten the extension lead as you gather it up. Never wrap up the cord from the plug end. Check the floor tool, wand, handpiece and hose for any obstructions. The best way to check the hose is to drop a coin through one end. If it doesn't fall through, it's likely that you have an obstruction. We recommend the following regular safety and maintenance tasks. Clean the external motor filter by placing a finger on each side of the foam and cage towards the back and pull up. Remove and shake excess dirt and debris to clean thoroughly. Check the condition of the short lead holder, cord restraint, and extension fastener strap. For any repair or servicing requirements, visit our website to locate your nearest authorized service and warranty agent.